Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
गोयच्या न्हंयांचो अभ्यास करपाचें काम नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफीन सुरू केला. मांडवी, जुवारी, छापोरा, तेरेखोल न्हंयांचो पावसा पयलीं आनी पावसा उपरांतचो अभ्यास पुराय जाला. 2 सिजन तरी अभ्यास करचो पडटलो म्हूण NIOचो संचालक सुनील कुमार सिंग सांगता. आनीकूय 5 न्हंयांचो अभ्यास करपाचें खंय थारायला. रेंव काडपाक खंय मेळटा ताचोय अभ्यास जातलो. फायनल रिपोर्ट खंय गोंय सरकाराक दितले.
Studying the different rivers of Goa, that includes all the major rivers of Goa. Till now we have completed 4 rivers, Mandvi, Juari, Chapora and Tarkol. So these rivers have been done, the study has been done. Pre-monsoon, post-monsoon study has been done, and remaining study will be starting after monsoon, other rivers. So basically we are trying to do all geological, geophysical, biological work together so that we can see what type of flora fauna is there, where the sediment is getting deposited, from where it is getting weathered, so what is the suitable position for sand which can be taken for other work. So this is the basic study we are trying to do that. So in this regard, as I told you, 4 rivers have already been completed. We have given report to government of Goa. Mapsa river is there, Balwanti river is there, Khandepa river is there, Shinkwarium river is there, Burjua river is there. So all these rivers will be studied in due course of time. Before monsoon we do, so that will give you what is the status of the sediment or biology just before the monsoon. And monsoon, because most of the sediment will be, or most of the sand will be brought during the monsoon. So just after monsoon we also do, so that will give you because during monsoon segment will be brought and also the existing segment will be shifted to somewhere else. We will try to complete within 1 year, but anyway 2 season study has to be done.